The steel industry is actually facing a huge challenge, minimizing emissions, which is one of the targets that we try to achieve in terms of modeling. We are living in times where a lot of established truths seem to change. If you ask the same question 10, 20 years ago, whether a blast furnace is the route forward in order to produce iron and steel, people would agree, okay, no question. We produce steel exactly that way because we did this for decades. Task 5 is about two main principles. The one is modeling of processes, and the other one is actually gathering data. We are combining physics-based modeling with the industrial data to actually be not only fast, but also accurate in terms of making predictions on material properties or on process performance. You can see modeling as a digital playground. You don't want to build a real-life blast furnace or other production route to just see if it works. You have to develop this as a digital process to see actually, does it work? How stable is that process? Can we control it? Or is it too difficult to control? That is the quite exciting stuff. What Sustain really made as a difference is actually to put this collaboration on an official and next level, gathering all the UK steel industry and 3 universities that are very active in that sector to officially work together in one project. So there have been some individual cases of collaboration, but Sustain really is a good platform for further growth and bigger collaborations looking forward.